Hello. Okay, so you have the PX05, but for any of the island mounts with 4 lights, it'll be the same procedure. So we send out the light wires, so we're going to change out the light wires. So first we want to change out the wires that are inside of the hood for the 4 lights. So in the video that we sent you before, we showed you the main lights connector that comes down and follows one of these wires down here, and then you can find it near one of the control panels. So you're going to go ahead and unplug that first main wire connector, and then for each of the 4 lights you're also going to have a white clip connector the same, so you're going to unplug the 4 of those as well. And then you just have the wires bunched up, and you should have some little zip ties and some sticky squares, so you just slightly pull on those to pull them off of the surface inside. And so you'll unplug the 4 lights, pull out all of the wiring from around the hood, and then the wiring that we sent you has one plug not plugged into something and the other 4 are to the lights. So you're going to plug in the 5th one into the main light connector, and before you even feed the other ones through, you can leave the lights plugged into those wires, plug it into there, and then test it, see if all the lights come on at that point. Hopefully they do, in which case you can just feed the wiring through. Half of it goes one way, half of it goes the other way, and then extends to the lights on the opposite side. And then if that's not doing it, then the main wire connector, the one that you just unplugged and plugged in, that one feeds up through here, and then it comes out of the top of the hood right on top through one of these holes on either side. So you're going to undo the little plastic holder here on whichever side it comes through, and then you can pull that wire for the light up through, and then inside here you have the 2 wire clip connectors on the motherboard for the lights, so you'll make sure you know which orientation they're in, unplug those, plug in the new one, feed the wires through, and then plug into all the 4 of the wires there. And that's changing out all of the light wiring for the hood. So hopefully this will do the trick. Let us know if you need any more information or assistance, and have a great day. Thank you.